Welcome back to another video of Makwala Agri. In today's video, we are looking into our chicken, which have turned 2 weeks. So now our chicken are 2 weeks old, which means today it's day 14 of our cycle. So today marks day 14 since we started brooding this chicken last month on the 22 of December 2023. So this is our crossover cycle. As any other day, as any day, when you come to your chicken house, these are the things that you're gonna do. You're gonna refill your water, and you're also gonna be refilling your feeders as they run out of feed or as they run out of water. And then after, you turn your bedding. This is the most important thing you need to do in a chicken house. Turn your chicken bedding, just to keep your bedding or a chicken that soft bedding that they can actually enjoy when they are in the house. So another thing that we're going to be doing today is that we're going to be is the day that we're going to be switching off our lights. So no more infrared lights for our chickens. We're not going to be providing heat anymore for our chicken, as from this time on they can actually regulate heat for themselves as they have developed the white feather that you see on their body. Another important thing that you need to do, don't skip the ads that pop up when you're watching Makwala Agri's videos, because that's how I actually get paid. Anyway, another thing that we're going to be doing as our chicken are turning 2 weeks, we're going to be increasing our brooding space. Every week we increase the space as our chicken are growing. So you cannot raise the chicken in the same space that you started brooding from day one. No, as they grow, you have to increase the space, allow them to have enough space for them to walk around. So there's another thing that we did today on day 14, 2 weeks. So we increased our space as well. So one of the benefits of having a proper space or enough space for your chicken is that as they grow, they start to poop very fast. They start to poop a lot. They start to urinate a lot. So your bedding get wet very fast. So if you have a limited space, it means that you're gonna have a problem whereby your bedding, it will be wet and it won't be easy for you to actually turn your bedding or actually keep the bedding longer. So what you gotta do is that you will have to change your bedding. But if you increase your space, you allow your chicken to have enough space so that as well as your bedding will get dry very quick. Always give your chicken the water that yourself you will also drink that water. So as our chicken were growing, we decided to increase our feeders and our drinkers as well. So we now have 3 12 drinkers in the house. So regarding the feed, in most of the time I'll give my chicken starter for 2 weeks. Thereafter I'll give them grower. In this cycle I decided to give my chicken grower after 3 weeks. So in this next week we're gonna be giving our chicken starter again. So we decided to give our chicken starter for the next 3 weeks. So today, as they turn 2 weeks, they finished 2 bags of starter. So we're gonna give them another bag of starter. Then we will see how long will they finish this bag of starter, as we increased our feeders as well. So we decided to put 3 feeders inside our house, and all these 3 feeders, they took the whole 50 kg of feed. You can imagine. So we will see how long will these feeders be empty. Guys, thanks for watching Makwala Agri. Remember to subscribe, share, comment and like. Like I said, don't skip any ads. That's how I get paid. This was your video for day 14. If you don't know what to do after 2 weeks, now you know what to do as you raise your chickens.